shivering, see?
I know, it's cold. That's how nice this water smells. It's okay. Little boy.
He's getting away.
I promise you, man. I promise.
Oh, Kimber not happy about being so wet.
Oh, that's a big